In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use WinZip as a way of bundling up multiple files so that you can upload them to Moodle. All right. In this particular case, this is for web pages. It's an assignment that my classes are doing in which they have to create several web pages and upload them for their final. All right. One of the things I want you to show you. Now, this is my particular folder. It's on my desktop. In your case, it'll probably be in your documents. And you click on this. And you notice there are several different pages. There's the images file that has an image in it. All right. Now your images folder might have hundreds of images. All right. Well, the problem is you can only upload one file at a time if you upload it to Moodle. So the other issue with this is sometimes these files are fairly large. Now in this case, this is probably a pretty small file. Yeah, it's only 31K. All right. But you can also might want to compress it. Well, that's where WinZip comes in. Now, if you do not have WinZip on your computer at home, you can download it for free. It's usually you get what's called a trial version, which does mostly everything that the full version does. All right. In our case here at Coil, all you have to do is right-click, go to Add to Zip. Now, you can either add it to a zip, in which case you get to give it a name, or it will actually give you the option of add it to that folder to a zip file that already has the name that's on the folder. So I'm going to add it to my web zip. All right. You notice this is just, you're going to start a brand new file. This is just going to recreate the file mywebzip. And it pops up this window, and you say, I accept, I agree. All right. And you will notice that an icon like this will pop up on your folder. Okay. It's like, basically, if you look at it, it's a little file cabinet that's getting squeezed. Now, actually, that probably didn't compress this image. Yeah, it compressed it a little bit. It was a 35K image. Now it's a 29K image. All right, so it has made the file a little tiny bit smaller. All right, now what happens if you get a zip file? All you have to do is click on it, and it opens up this window, and you say I agree, and it will open up to something that looks like this. Now, basically, you just hit extract, and it will put all the files into a folder on your desktop. So I'm going to go extract, and I'm going to extract it to H, and I'm going to call it new web. And it extracts it, and now I've got my web page in a different place. The key with web pages, as you know, is that web pages are a series of instructions, so the relative position of the folders is very, very important. The web page gives instructions, says go into this folder and get this file. If the file is not in that folder, it will mess it up, which is why you need to compress the entire thing. All right, that's it for using WinZip. It's very helpful, and that concludes this tutorial.